Whenever you visit buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia, it's just like coming to a Corvette museum. We have such a fabulous collection of Corvettes and late model muscle cars and trucks as well. You need to stop in if you're passing through Atlanta. This is one of those classic Corvettes right here on our showroom floor that we have today. It's a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Just a stunning car, unbelievable. It's code correct Monza Red on the exterior, code correct red vinyl interior, and has a beautiful white convertible top. Under the hood, a matching numbers 300 horsepower, 350 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, and its car features power steering, brakes, front fender louver vent trim, AM/FM radio, and it has a luggage rack as well. We know it was assembled on July 3rd, 1969, and this 69 Corvette Convertible is a real factory red on red car, and it features power steering and power brakes. The car's paint shows a good shine, has the vintage aftermarket alarm has been added, and the convertible top is in good to very good condition, as are all exterior glass shows the correct date code as well. Taillights, good condition. Weather stripping, very good. Rally wheels are very good with very good trim rings and a 1967 style center caps on those wheels. Beautiful car. The interior of the 69 Corvette Convertible shows very good to excellent center console, good condition seats, very good gauges and dash pad, very good door panels as well. A digital AM/FM radio has been added along with vintage rear speakers. The car has the numbers matching 350 cubic inch engine, and it shows original casting date of April 30th, 1969, and a final assembly on June 24th, 69. It has the correct intake manifold, and additions to this engine include a black air cleaner and an L46 style valve covers as well. The engine compartment has been nicely detailed, and the frame is solid and rust-free. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavet.net, and we hope to hear from you or see you stop in real soon. Give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. We can help you put this car in your driveway very, very soon. Remember, we ship nationwide. That can be done probably less expensive than you'll ever imagine. So give us a call today. We specialize in online sales. We're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.